Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to send delayed text messages iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Sending delayed text messages, scheduled messages directly from the default messages app on iPhone is not supported natively as of iOS 15. Apple's Messages app does not include a built-in feature to schedule text messages for future delivery. However, you can achieve this functionality using third-party apps available on App Store. Here's how you can do it. Visit the App Store on your iPhone and search for scheduled messages. Download and install the app of your choice and just follow the prompts to set up by signing up using your app or Google account. Choose Share Email, then tap Continue with Passcode, and just provide the passcode. Press the task, then tap the task icon. Typically, you can compose your message. Choose the date and time by going to Schedule, and set up your date and time that you want it to be sent, and choose the recipient. Once scheduled, the app will automatically send the text message at the specified date and time. By using a third-party app designed for scheduling text messages, you can effectively send delayed or scheduled messages from your iPhone, providing flexibility for communicating at a later time. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.